Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix CrowdStrike blue screen of death error on your Windows PC. So if you want to know more about the CrowdStrike, so you can search it on Google. So nowadays the outage issue is going on CrowdStrike. So let's see how to fix this reading error on your PC. So when you are facing this kind of any error, blue screen of death error on your PC, at that time you need to restart your PC. So you need to shut down your PC. So shut down it normally and then turn it on your PC. Hopefully this will help you to fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to once again shut down your PC. Okay, after shutting down, turn on your PC, and when the Windows logo will appear on your screen, at that time what you need to do, you need to press and hold your power button for few seconds, and then it will show you this blue screen of automatic repair. As you can see guys, just you need to click on advanced options like this, and then in the next screen you need to select troubleshoot option, and then in the next screen you need to select startup settings. Okay, like this, and here you need to select fifth option, enable safe mode with networking. Okay, it will select by pressing F5. so if you are using laptop, so you need to press and hold function key button and then press F5 from your keyboard. Okay, and it will open your PC in safe mode. Okay, afterwards you need to try the next method. Now you need to press Windows key button like this, and here you need to search command prompt. Right click on the command prompt and open this in administrator tab. Okay, and then you need to use one command, actually two command. This command you can get in my video description box. So just simply copy the first command like this and paste here, and then hit enter. After the first command will execute, you need to use the second command. So copy the second command as it is and paste it here. Okay, and press enter. So it will take some time to execute this command, so don't close your command prompt, wait for few minutes, and then you can close your command prompt, and you need to restart your PC one more time. So after restarting, it will disable your save mode and your PC will work fine. So this is the easy and simple method to fix the blue screen of death error on your Windows PC. Okay, so that's it all guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.